Here you see probably the only banknote knife in the world. A few days ago I decided that I wanted to make a cake knife. But not just an ordinary cake knife, one made out of banknotes. Due to my travels I have plenty of currencies that are not used anymore or that I will never use. Here I'm mixing the resin, trying to be as precise as possible, and I'm going to add a little bit of hardener, again trying to be precise. And we'll jump a little bit because this is going to be boring. I made a small rig with parchment paper so that the coins wouldn't stick on the wood. And in the beginning I will do it a bit slow, then I will speed up the video because making 30 layers of currency is actually quite tedious and it takes really a long time if you want to be precise. And I can see that is a banknote from Iraq with Saddam Hussein on it. And there we have 8,000 won from Korea. Now the first ones are the most difficult ones because it's really slippery and it slides quite a lot. The basic idea is to make a mirkata, which is layers of typically cloth or paper. And everybody probably knows that banknotes aren't really paper. Okay, so here I speed up the video because it will take forever. Just the gluing part took about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And the trick was, of course, to make sure that everything had the same height, so it wouldn't be thicker on one side than the other side. There might be some banknote collectors that will feel not too good right now. I'm sorry for that. But I promise I will be using this cake knife quite a lot in the future. I like cake, so these notes will be used in a very good way. I have quite a lot of other projects with interesting knives coming up. So if you're interested in these kind of projects, please subscribe. And probably you might recognize some of the notes. You're welcome to, there's one from Iran. You're welcome to leave a comment in. Okay, so I was finished here, and here I put pressure on it. As you can see, I put a block of wood on top and then parchment paper again. And then I think I put some more pressure actually. Yeah. And because I had a slow resin, I had to leave it for a few days. and then I cut out the shape of the knife. After that I have been sanding for a few days, but sanding you need to put on a respirator, and it's very dusty, and my camera is a phone and it didn't really work, so I'll spare you the sanding, but it was many hours. And then I at the end put an UV resin on it, and I'm just curing it here with a small lamp. Here you can see the different layers still, because I would like to keep the possibility. And here is the final cake knife, the most expensive sharp cake knife in the world, made of banknotes.